This short video will show how to buy shares of Cboe Global Markets Inc. as a practical demonstration. Cboe is an exchange operator offering trading and market data, and it is listed on eToro under the ticker Cboe. This content is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker Cboe to find the listing. Then locate the result that displays Cboe Global Markets Inc. to ensure you select the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart so you can confirm the listing is Cboe. Check the company description and trading details to make sure it matches the stock you intend to buy. Tap the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount or number of shares you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a limit or market on open order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before the purchase is confirmed. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. And if you want to try the exact steps shown here, there is an example link in the description.